Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to create captions for your TikTok video. Now let's begin. Initially, go to CapCut.com. Sign up if you already have not. I've already signed in. Now let's create something new. I have this video uploaded for which I want a caption. Now that the video is in the canvas, I will try to generate the text automatically using the features of CapCut. Now let's begin. On the left hand side, you will see something like captions here. Simply click on it and select Auto Captions. Select the language used in the video and click Generate. It will take some time. And there you have it. You can see the captions here. You can change its font. You can change it to bold, italic, underline, whatever you wish. And after everything is done, simply hit on export. You can directly share on social media if you wish. Or you can click on download, then upload. For now, I'm gonna try to share it directly on TikTok. Now I will type the name, the resolution, the recommended quality, the frame rate, and the format, and simply hit on export. As you can see, it is uploading. You can add the title, you can add descriptions, you can select who can view this video, you can allow users to comment, duet, stitch, anything. You can check the video from here as well. Now that everything is done, simply click on share. The video is being uploaded to TikTok. And now you can see the video is successfully shared on TikTok. You can simply click here to watch on TikTok, and there you have it. That is how you upload a captioned video in TikTok and create captions for your TikTok video. Hope this video was informational for you, and for more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.